Real talk. Kahit anong iwas budol mo, laging may biglaang gastos. Bills, errands, trips, emergencies. Yung tipong, wait a minute, saan ko kukunin to? So today, we're gonna talk about Maya Lending Services, specifically si Maya Easy Credit and Maya Personal Loan that you can rely on during these times. And if you want to know more, then please keep on watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and upload videos about personal finance, a bit of work from home stuff, and also snippets into my daily life. Now, also, just a quick disclosure, hindi po ako professional financial advisor and the content that I share in this video ay base lamang po sa aking personal experiences at opinion. Now, sa totoo lang, minsan kailangan mo lang talaga ng madali ang tulong. Yung madali, mabilis, at stress-free. At yung walang masyadong requirements. And that's where Maya comes in. Fast moves, fast money. Maya is not just a banking app. It's practically the app that we use for sending money sa ating mga kaibigan, sa family. It's the same app that we use to pay our bills, QR payments, practically everything. And that convenience sets the stage for their Maya lending services. So what is Maya lending? So basically, Maya gives you instant lending options depending on your needs. So, as I have already mentioned, meron silang dalawang services na ino-offer. Si Maya Easy Credit and also Maya Personal Loan. I think I've already made videos in the past regarding these two. And for Maya Easy Credit, basically it's for your everyday expenses. Yung pabago-bago, mga unexpected expenses, definitely si Maya Easy Credit yon. And then si Maya Personal Loan naman, this one is for bigger loans. Yung mga pang long term kung baga. Also, mas mahaba yung installment repayment niya. Both of them are actually accessible as long as you have an updated Maya account. And that's what I like about it kasi you can definitely apply as you are wherever you are. Okay, unahin muna natin si Maya Easy Credit. Imagine mo na lang, you have this revolving credit of up to 30,000 pesos that you can use for different stuff like pang grocery or pang bayad ng bills or for your deliveries and for pang Noche Buena this Christmas, o diba? Or yung wala lang, bigla ang sale. And ang maganda dito kay Maya Easy Credit, instant approval siya for many users. And definitely, legit na mabilis. Ito yung type ng credit na hindi ka na kailangan mag-overthink. Let's say, kailangan mo ng 1,000 pesos, go. Kailangan mo ng 5,000 pesos, go na. Tapos pag nabayaran mo na siya, babalik ulit yon sa credit limit mo. Kasi revolving nga siya. And you can actually take as many as you want as long as hindi ka pa umaabot doon sa credit line mo or sa credit limit mo. Kaya perfect siya for your everyday gastos na parating pa iba-iba. Napunta tayo sa requirements. Very simple lang naman yung requirements niya. 3 easy requirements. Number 1, you need to be at least 21 years old to 65 years old. Dapat Filipino resident. And also, you need to have an upgraded Maya account. Napunta naman tayo kay Maya Personal Loan. You can also check my previous video about Maya Personal Loan. If you have the time, include ko na lang yung link doon sa description box. Now, with Maya Personal Loan, as I have mentioned earlier, this is more on sa mga malalaking loans, bigger loans, and for long-term loans. Kung target mo ay yung mga big loans like upgrading your cellphone or nagpaplano ka ng holiday trip for your family or you're planning to start a small business, that's where Maya Personal Loan comes in. With Maya Personal Loan, you can borrow up to 250,000 pesos plus ang haba ng long-term repayment niya. You can pay it back after 24 months. So, mas mahaba ang breathing room niya, kaya mas pang long-term siya. So basically, My Personal Loan is for your big life decisions category. Yung mga travel plans for the whole family, home upgrades, pang-invest, or yung matagal mo nang gustong bilhin na big ticket item. So once na-approve ka na, your funds will go straight to your Maya wallet, which you can use right away. Wala nang waiting. Magagamit mo agad-agad. Now, further requirements naman with Maya Personal Loan, pretty much the same. At least 21 years old to 65 years old, tapos Filipino citizen, upgraded Maya account, and also dapat active user ka sa Maya. Easy credit or personal loan? Alin ang para sa'yo? So let's just do a quick summary and overview sa mga sinabi ko kanina. Ito na yon. For Maya Easy Credit, for everyday spends, last minute gastos, pang grocery, pang gift, pang emergency. It's fast, reusable credit. While Maya Personal Loan, on the other hand, it's for your big purchase, for your long term plans, for your travel plans, your gadget upgrades and home upgrades. And this is for higher amount plus longer repayment. Just think of it like this: Maya Easy Credit equals fast money. My personal loan is for your big goals and long-term plans. Why I like both? Well, basically, it's for convenience. Everything is actually on the Maya app na. No need na to like go from one app to another app. Everything is just in the Maya app. And also, wala na kailangan ng bank visits and napaka-hassle-free. And the entire process really feels stress-free, which is rare kapag loan ang topic. So whether pang daily gastos yan or pang big leap moment sa life mo, meron at merong Maya Lending app na para sa'yo. If you want something na madali, mabilis, and all-in-one, try Maya Lending Services today. Fast moves, fast money. Borrow easy with Maya. So download the app and check out Maya Credit or Maya Personal Loan and see which fits your life right now.